With or without?
It's not open.
Actually, it's a hair dryer.
So, you are on air.
Oh, hi! I am Ari from Computex from Computex 2018. This is Niels.
Hi guys.
For Seasonic. And we're about to see a new product coming in.
And this is the guy who designed it, actually.
Chief engineer, right.
So, this is a new design from Seasonic. It uses a totem pole PFC, which is cutting edge.
Yeah.
It's the best that
Best efficiency converter.
Yeah. So, what you want to share with us about this?
It's quite a new design because we ran the high wattage titanium platform. So this is a part of the titanium platform in high wattage.
It's above. Above titanium, you mean?
Yeah, just we will be above. Yeah.
And it uses a digital platform.
Yeah, digital platform. That's correct.
So you also plan to have some software for it?
Sure.
Software. To control it through PC.
Yeah, that's right. Yeah.
And when this will be finished, this project?
I think will be on next Computex.
Next Computex, so you
So in a year from now.
Yeah.
And the capacity will only 1.6 kilowatt.
Yeah.
Only one PSU, or you have other capacities?
Actually, it will be capacity will be higher because it's a 1.6 kilowatts 110 volt 1010.
So you will have more models than one.
If you use in 230 volts,
it will be higher. It will go over higher.
Yeah.
I see.
Yeah,
I see.
So it's quite a new technology by using the GaN FET.
GaN FET.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, this is the only way to work with totem pole PFC.
Yes, that's the only way to achieve.
And as far as you know, only digital control. There's no analog controller available right now for totem pole.
Yes. We are at the booth of Seasonic, and we're going to do a short video about what's in the booth.
Okay. Let's start from here. This is new. This is the Focus SGX650. It's an SFX-L form factor PSU, 80 plus gold certified, 120mm fan, fully modular, 10 years warranty. This is the PSU.
I think 10 years warranty is the standard warranty that Seasonic gives.
Actually, it's 12 for the prime units and 10 for all the rest. This is a new model. We don't know exactly when it will be released, but we will find out.
Definitely.
Okay. Let's move. Those are two affordable Seasonic PSUs.
Fundus.
This is already the market. Prime Gold, 1300. This I think is the strongest prime unit available. Yeah. The prime. There's a prime platinum also with 1300 watts capacity. And the new snow silent units from 550 to 750. Again, the same SFX-L unit we've seen. And a gold that Seasonic and yesterday.
So that's pretty much about it from Seasonic. Bye bye.